Hello everyone, my name is Kayla and welcome to my social identity presentation. Those are the things that I learned and I created during the semester. Sizzling is the brand that I created. It contains recipes from around the world with a Dominican touch. And this is the logo that I made, which I really liked because resembles well the concept that I had behind my brand. The audience are women between 25 and 35 years old. At the beginning, the audience was a little more targeting Dominicans that they live either in Dominican Republic or outside of Dominican Republic. But the target audience wasn't as large, so I needed to fit my audience with the time and make it a little more general. I use 3 channels for my brand, mostly Facebook and Pinterest. The third one was a website that I made where I published recipes, and this helped me to link it to the different platforms. And between the 3 of them, they were working together. I came up with few challenges for my brand. First of all, I needed to create and learn how to use social media. Social media is not my forte, and I needed to learn how to use Pinterest, and I needed to create an account and start from the beginning. Another challenge, my family and I, we were moving from Connecticut to Washington State. So most of the time I was on the road or in a hotel room. So trying to create pictures and videos was very challenging because I had very limited resources. And lastly, trying to reach my target audience because was so limited, and that's why I needed to make it a little more general. This is my Facebook account. For Sizzling, I had a total of 10 posts, 25 followers, and 25 page likes. And in the analytics, we can see that it wasn't very big. It wasn't very successful. And there's a dramatic change with the sponsor posts. This helped a lot my brand to grow in comparison how it was before. Same thing with my Pinterest account. I had a total of 6 pins, but I didn't have any followers and nobody saved any of my pins. And all the impressions that were very shy, the amount of clicks. But then when I added my 3rd ad in Pinterest, the amount of impressions that were very large, and I doubled the amount of clicks that I usually got. This was very helpful. I learned a lot about social media, and in the future I will consider very strongly to use sponsored videos because in sponsored ads, because that helped a lot my brand to grow. Thank you very much for watching.